If you've ever spent more than 5 minutes scrubbing soap scum off your bathtub wall, you know the pain, and you've probably thought, there's gotta be a better way. Good news, there is. Electric spin scrubbers have gone from gimmicky gadgets to legitimate cleaning powerhouses. Whether you're tackling a dirty bathroom, dingy tile grout, or even your car rims, the right scrubber can save you a ton of time, and your back. Today, I've rounded up 7 of the best electric spin scrubbers that offer a mix of power, convenience, and clever features. Every product I mention is linked down in the video description. Let's dive in. First up is the Cleaninja Electric Spin Scrubber. This one's all about versatility. It comes with 11 replaceable brush heads, everything from flat scrubbers to dome brushes, and 3 speed settings ranging from 250 to 350 RPM. The telescoping handle extends to 107 centimeters, so you can reach tile above your shower or scrub your baseboards without kneeling. Runtime sits around 90 minutes on a full charge, which is pretty solid, though if you're really leaning into tough dirt at the top speed, the battery will drain quicker. What stands out most about this model is how adaptable it is. Whether you're cleaning narrow sink edges or wide floors, there's a head for that. Downsides? It's not the lightest scrubber out there. Those accessories add bulk. But if you want maximum control over how you clean, Cleaninja gives you that. While Cleaninja gives you variety, the Labigo LA2 Pro goes full throttle on power and control. With 2 speed settings, 300 and a punchy 400 RPM, it's one of the most powerful on this list. The battery also lasts around 90 minutes and charges in just 3 hours. What I really like is the LCD display that shows speed mode and battery life at a glance. The head tilts up to 90 degrees for better angles, and the telescoping handle adjusts from 69 to 119 centimeters. If you're the type who hates second-guessing your gear mid-clean, you'll appreciate the feedback this one gives. The 4 included brush heads are durable, though not as many as Cleaninja's 11. Now, I did notice some wear and tear at the joints after extended heavy use, so durability might be a concern long-term. But for a powerful, smartly designed scrubber, this one delivers. Unlike Cleaninja, it's less about versatility and more about doing a few things extremely well. If you're more concerned about comfort and budget than brute force, the PUFTEMPFCB01 is worth a look. This model is noticeably lighter, making it ideal for quick cleanups or anyone with limited arm strength. It has 2 speed modes, 6 brush heads, and an adjustable handle. There's also a battery level indicator on the unit, which is a nice touch at this price point. The motor isn't as intense as the Labigo or Cleaninja, and the battery life doesn't quite live up to its marketing under pressure, but for everyday messes, it holds its own. Imagine you're tidying up your sink and backsplash after dinner. Grab this, attach the dome brush, and in 5 minutes, it's done without breaking a sweat. Compared to Labigo, it's gentler and far more portable, but definitely not built for heavy-duty scrubbing. Now, if reach and waterproofing are your top priorities, the Leebane electric spin scrubber might be the one for you. This scrubber boasts an extendable handle that stretches from 38 to 132 centimeters, and with IPX7 waterproofing, you can use it inside a running shower without a second thought. It includes 7 to 8 heads, and the angled brush system makes it easy to scrub corners and tricky spots. One thing missing here is detailed performance data. No official RPM numbers or battery duration stats, which makes it harder to benchmark. But in use, it feels solid and effective. I used it to clean floor grout in a tiled bathroom and didn't have to crouch once. Unlike the Puffdom, which is great for short bursts, this one's built to go the distance, especially in tall or damp spaces. For a scrubber that bridges the gap between household and outdoor use, check out the NBnebs electric spin scrubber. Like the Leebane, it's IPX7 waterproof and has an extendable handle, but it also includes 6 brushes and a pad driver that's great for car exteriors or garage floors. It has 2 speeds and a decent battery life, but the handle feels a little less sturdy compared to others. If you push hard, there's noticeable flex. Still, if you're someone who wants one scrubber for multiple zones, bathroom, patio, even vehicle detailing, this one earns its place. Picture this. It's Saturday, you've washed your car, and now you're going after that bug residue and brake dust. Clip on the pad, let it rip, and it handles the grime like a champ. In contrast to the more indoor-focused Leebane, the NBnebs brings multi-purpose value with just a bit less polish. Speaking of polish, literally, the Tuyu electric spin scrubber goes for sleek aesthetics and smart usability. It's got an LCD display, IPX7 waterproofing, an articulating head, and a modern silhouette that honestly wouldn't look out of place in a high-end appliance store. Performance-wise, it's right in the middle. The motor handles day-to-day cleaning well, but it's not designed for super stubborn messes. Brush durability could be better too. But if you're into gear that's as easy on the eyes as it is on the arms, Tuyu does a great job. Imagine hosting guests and doing a quick pre-party bathroom refresh. This scrubber keeps things quiet, tidy, and quick. Unlike NBnebs, which leans rugged, Tuyu is the clean freak's aesthetic best friend. And finally, we've got the YKYI electric spin scrubber, which brings some unexpected features to the table. First, it's got 3 speed settings, which most models don't. Second, it comes with 8 brush heads and a detachable, adjustable handle. And third, get this, it actually talks. You get voice prompts like mode activated, which is kind of hilarious at first, but genuinely helpful when your hands are wet or you're wearing gloves. It's definitely heavier than others, and on the highest speed setting, it gets noticeably loud. But if you want a scrubber that can tackle everything from gentle soap residue to stubborn mildew and talk to you while doing it, this one's uniquely equipped. Compared to Tuyu, the YKYI trades sleek design for personality and function. You won't exactly win popularity contests running this at full speed during family nap time, but for a busy household with lots of surfaces to clean, it's perfect. So, what's the best electric spin scrubber for you? Let's break it down. If you want the most accessories and flexibility, Cleaninja is your go-to. If you need top-tier power and smart feedback, the Labigo LA2 Pro delivers big. Looking for something lightweight and budget-friendly? PuffDem is perfect for light everyday cleaning. Need maximum reach and waterproof protection? Leebane gets the job done. If you're all about utility indoors and out, NBnebs is a practical pick. Prefer a sleek design and modern controls? Tuyu won't disappoint. And if you want features with flair like voice commands and triple speeds, YKYI has the most personality of the bunch. Still unsure? If you're cleaning mostly tile and grout, go for higher RPM models like Labigo or YKYI. For seniors or anyone with limited strength, PuffDem and Tuyu are easier on the wrists. For multitaskers cleaning kitchen, bath, and car, NBnebs offers the most versatility. Cleaninja is ideal if you want every cleaning tool in one box. Leebane is a great pick if you need to reach high tiles without stepping on stools. YKYI adds fun to functionality with audible feedback and extra brush heads. If drying time and battery life matter, Labigo and Cleaninja hold their charge the longest. And if aesthetic and space-saving design is a priority, Tuyu will fit right into a modern home setup. Whatever your needs, there's a scrubber on this list that'll make cleaning less of a chore. Links for all the products are in the description below. Tap the one that fits your lifestyle and let the machine do the scrubbing for you. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got more practical gear reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!